Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two top-notch dash cams, the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam and the ROVE Dash Cam front-rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Get ready for some heated competition. When it comes to video quality, the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam packs a punch. With its 4K Ultra HD recording capability, you'll notice a significant difference in clarity and quality compared to other dash cams. Plus, its super night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light conditions. Connectivity is an essential aspect of any dash cam. The ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to instantly view and manage your recordings on your iOS and Android devices via the ROVE app. You can even download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone at lightning-fast speeds and share them with your friends and family on social media. Now let's talk about those extra features that make these dash cams stand out. The ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam comes with a built-in supercapacitor f1.5 apertures, parking mode, motion detection, and a wide-angle lens. It even supports up to a whopping 512 GB micro SD card. Talk about storage space. The ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam is praised for its clarity and video quality and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Reviewers appreciate the built-in supercapacitor and the ability to support a large micro SD card. However, the ROVE Dash Cam stands out with its impressive night vision capabilities, faster Wi-Fi, and larger display. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam and the ROVE Dash Cam front, rear 4K built-in GPS 5 GHz Wi-Fi in 3 categories: video quality, connectivity, and additional features. While both dash cams are exceptional, the ROVE Dash Cam takes the crown with its superb night vision, faster Wi-Fi, built-in GPS tracking, larger IPS display, and smart voice control. Remember, the ultimate decision depends on your personal preferences and needs. We hope this comparison has helped you make a smarter purchasing decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay smart and see you next time on Buy Smart.